class.
Children, let us recap what we have learnt in the previous session. Sometimes the price of an object increases due to other expenses like transportation, shop rent, salaries, etc. These are called overheads and these are added to the cost price. Final cost is equal to cost price plus overheads. Children, let us start today's session.
Children, do you remember Farah? Yes, Farah is a florist. Previously, she used to sell the bouquets in her shop only. After that, Farah developed her business. She created a website and started taking the orders through online and delivered the bouquets. Let us continue the same story. Children, every year, Farah's colony members used to organize an event for a social cause. Whatever money they will get through the event, with that money they used to donate books, uniforms in the orphanages. Children, this year they organized handmade fair and invited people from other colonies, friends and relatives to the fair. Children, look at here. Before keeping the stalls, all the colony children cleaned their colony very neatly. Then they started keeping the stalls.
Children, look at here. This is the handmade fair organized by Farah's colony. In this, all the colony women exhibited their handmade items for sale. Let us see the items sold by them.
In previous classes, we have learnt how to find profit or loss when cost price and selling prices are given. And also, we have learnt how to find profit or loss when cost price, selling price and overheads are given. Today, in this class, we are going to learn how to find cost price or selling price. Children, you can find the cost price or selling price when you know the profit or loss. If you know any two values, you can find the third value. Let us see some examples.
Children, she is Mrs. Suhana. Mrs. Suhana is very good at craft work. So she sold wall hangings in the fair. The selling price of a pair of wall hangings is 250 rupees. As she wants to make new models, she sold a pair of wall hangings at a loss of 25 rupees. Here, selling price of a pair of wall hangings and loss were given. So, we can find cost price of a pair of wall hangings. Let us start. To find the cost price, children always add loss to the selling price. SP plus loss, that is 250 rupees plus 25 rupees. The sum is 275 rupees, which is the cost price of a pair of wall hangings. Children, even we can check our answer. Let us start. Just compare the cost price and selling price of the wall hangings. What did you observe, children? Exactly. Cost price is greater than the selling price. It means loss. To find loss, subtract selling price from cost price. CP minus SP, that is 275 rupees minus 250 rupees. The difference is 25 rupees, which is loss. As we already know, Suhana sold a pair of wall hangings at a loss of 25 rupees. It means our answer is correct. In this way, you can check your answer, children. Children, she is Mrs. Savitri. Mrs. Savitri weaves baskets. So she sold weaved baskets in the fair. Selling price of the basket is 315 rupees and she sold at a profit of 20 rupees on each basket. Here, selling price of the basket and profit on each basket are given. So we have to find the cost price of the basket. Let us start. Children, to find the cost price, subtract profit from selling price. SP minus profit, that is 315 rupees minus 20 rupees. The difference is 295 rupees, which is the cost price of the basket. Let us check our answer by comparing selling price and cost price. What did you observe, children? Exactly, it is profit because selling price is more than the cost price. To find the profit, subtract cost price from selling price. SP minus CP, that is 315 rupees minus 295 rupees. The difference is 20 rupees, which is profit. As we already know, Mrs. Savitri sold at a profit of 20 rupees on each basket. It means our answer is correct. In this way, we can check our answer.
Children, she is Mrs. Jenny. Mrs. Jenny used to take candle making classes in online. So she sold candles in the fair. The cost price of a pack of 6 candles is 200 rupees and she sold pack of 6 candles at a profit of 15 rupees. So we had to find the selling price of a pack of 6 candles. Children, let us start. So to find the selling price, we had to add profit to the cost price. CP plus profit, that is 200 rupees plus 15 rupees. The sum is 215 rupees, which is the selling price of a pack of 6 candles. Children, let us check our answer by comparing cost price and selling price. What did you observe, children? Exactly. Selling price is greater than cost price. It means profit. So to find the profit, we have to subtract cost price from selling price. That is 215 rupees minus 200 rupees. The difference is 15 rupees, which is profit. Children, as we already know, Jenny sold a pack of 6 candles at a profit of 15 rupees. It means our answer is correct. In this way, you can check your answer also, children.
Children, she is Mrs. Sonal. Mrs. Sonal is a painter. So she opened a stall of paintings in the fair. The cost price of the painting is 500 rupees. As she wants to clear her old paintings, each painting she sold at a loss of 50 rupees. Here, the cost price of the painting and loss on each painting were given. So, we can find selling price of the painting. To find the selling price, children, always subtract loss from cost price. CP minus loss, that is 500 rupees minus 50 rupees. The difference is 450 rupees, which is the selling price of the painting. Children, let us check our answer by comparing cost price and selling price of the painting. What did you observe, children? Exactly, it is loss because cost price is greater than the selling price. To find loss, subtract selling price from cost price. CP minus SP, that is 500 rupees minus 450 rupees. The difference is 50 rupees, which is loss. Children, as we already know, Sonal sold each painting at a loss of 50 rupees. It means our answer is correct.
Children, today we learned how to find cost price and selling price. Either profit or loss are given. Means, what did you understand, children? When two values are given, we can find the third value. It means when cost price and loss are given, we can find selling price. Not only that, when cost price, profit are given, we can find selling price. At the same time, when selling price and loss are given, we can find cost price, and when selling price and profit are given, also we can find cost price. Now let us do exercise 2E. Find the selling price or cost price of each of the following. Here it is a terracotta pot. What is the cost price given, children? 315 rupees and the loss is 38 rupees. So what we have to find out, children? Here cost price and loss are given. Means we have to find out selling price. So to find selling price, what we have to do, children? So when CP and loss are given, to find the selling price, we have to subtract loss from cost price. Look at here, children. CP minus loss. When CP and loss are given, to find SP means selling price, we have to subtract loss from CP. Okay, children, let us start. CP minus loss. Okay, children. CP minus loss. Then CP and loss are given. So, to find selling price, we have to subtract loss from CP. Okay, children, let us start. What is CP of the pot, children? 315 rupees minus loss 38 rupees. Okay, children, let us subtract. 315 minus 38 rupees. So children, start from ones place. 5 minus 8 is not possible. So subtraction with regrouping. So regroup from tens place. 1 will become 0. Here 5 will become 15 ones. Okay, children. 15 minus 8, 7. So here 0 minus 3, again not possible. Again regroup from hundreds place. 3 will become 2. Here 0 will become 10. 10 minus 3, 7. 2 as it is. Okay. So children, what is the selling price of the pot? 277 rupees. What is the selling price of the pot, children? 277 rupees. So let us write last statement. Thus, SP is 277 rupees. You can also write selling price of the pot is 277 rupees. So children, to find the selling price, when cost price and loss are given, we have to subtract loss from cost price. Here the selling price of the pot is 277 rupees. Let us do one more sum. Children, here is a shawl. What is the selling price of the shawl is given? 1560 rupees and loss 350 rupees. So here selling price and loss are given. So what we have to find out, children? Exactly, we have to find out cost price. So when selling price and loss are given, to find the cost price, what we have to do, children? Look at here, children. When selling price and loss are given, to find the cost price, we have to add loss to the selling price. SP plus loss. CP is equal to SP plus loss. Let us start. So, cost price is equal to cost price. To find the cost price, we have to add loss to the selling price. SP plus loss. Okay, children? SP plus loss. So what is SP, children? SP of the shawl? 1560 rupees plus loss 350 rupees. So we have to add 1560 plus 350. Start from ones place. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 5, 11. Addition with regrouping. Regroup 1 to hundreds place and write 1 under tens place. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Write down 1 as it is. So what is the cost price of the shawl, children? 1,910 rupees. Thus, CP is 1,910 rupees. Okay, children. So, from this, what did you understand? When selling price and loss are given, to find the cost price, we have to add loss to the selling price. SP plus loss. So, the CP of the shawl is 1,910 rupees. Let us do one more sum. Children, let us do one more sum. Here it is Kanjivaram saree. Given the cost price of the saree is 7,880 rupees and the profit is 1,090 rupees. Now we have to find out the selling price of the saree. So to find the selling price of the saree, we have to add profit to the cost price. Okay, children, SP is equal to CP plus profit. So when CP and profit are given, to find the selling price, profit is added to the cost price. CP plus profit. Let us start the sum. Okay, children. Selling price is equal to CP plus profit. Okay, children. So when cost price and profit are given, to find the selling price, CP and profit both are added. So here CP is 7,880 rupees and what is the profit of the saree? 1,090 rupees. Okay, children, let us add 7,880 rupees plus 1,090 rupees. So start addition from ones place. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 9, 17. So addition with regrouping. Regroup 1 to hundreds place and write 7 under tens place. Okay, children. So 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 7 plus 1, 8. So what is the selling price of the saree? 8,970 rupees. Thus, SP is 8,970 rupees. Okay, children. So, when cost price and profit are given, to find the selling price, profit and cost price, we have to add CP plus profit. Okay, children. So, practice the sums.
Children, it's time to recap. As we discussed earlier, if we know any two values, we can find the third value. It means when selling price and loss are given, we can find the cost price. To find the cost price, add loss to the selling price, SP plus loss. At the same time, when selling price and profit are given, we can find the cost price. To find the cost price, subtract profit from selling price, SP minus profit. In the same way, when cost price and loss are given, we can find the selling price. To find the selling price, subtract loss from cost price, CP minus loss. In the same way, when cost price and profit are given, we can find the selling price. To find the selling price, add profit to the cost price, CP plus profit. Children, practice the sums.